Hello everybody, it's Dr. Barbara Kubicka of the Bath Project, and this is Nimbus, my dog. We have a pleasure to tell you today a little bit about creation of your ideal bath. I've spent many days and many hours trying different mixtures and combination of products and researching the subject of bathing to come up with recipes that you can find in my book. And as well on our website or on our social media channels. But today I would like to tell you a little bit about few ingredients or few elements that are essential to create a bath. Obviously it will depend what you want from the bath and what is your core issue, which I won't go into details now, but generally speaking, in terms of the temperature of bath, the most important is to keep the water between 38 and 41 degrees. It makes it safe for the skin and for your body. And they keep the time in between 15 to 25 minutes, again to make it safe and make sure that you don't dehydrate your skin as a result of it. In terms of the ingredients that you can add to your bath, I usually start with the base, and the base it's my liquid part, where it can be milk, normal milk or goat milk or oat milk, whatever you would like, or herbal tea or normal tea. With herbal or normal teas I usually use 2 tea bags for half of the glass of hot water, leave it for 5 minutes and then use that for my mixture. Then the important part to add to it for me is salt, and it's about 100 to 100 grams of salt. The most often used for bathing is Epsom salt, and it is very good because it has a high magnesium level, but it can be as well Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt or sea salt, but not a table salt. And finally, to close it, you can add some aromatherapy oils. One aroma will be enough, but if you want to make it more complex, using 3 will address whole our body, so our body, mind and spirit, and it is a root or leaf extract, like for example eucalyptus for our body, lavender as a flower extract for our emotions and mind, and then fruit, for example any citrus fruit, but for example orange or mandarin, with uplifting effect for our spirit. And then I like to finish that with color in my bath, and you can use some natural ingredients like beetroot juice or turmeric for that purpose, but there are as well some food coloring that you could add to your bath, but make sure that they are organic and not toxic. Finally, there are other things that you can add to your bath, like vitamins, vitamin E or vitamin C, oils, oats or honey. There are many options, and they all described in my book, and I will present you some recipes as well with the indications, so hopefully in that way I'll be able to make it a little bit easier, more approachable, but hopefully meantime you'll be encouraged to experiment yourself and try what you like. So enjoy, send us your questions, share it with your friends, and hopefully see you soon.